opening my previous application. I need to go to my workspace. Here is the data table, React data table is the right. Here I'm opening CMD command from opening code space start. Right. So previously we are going to using like this, right? Very simple kind of way we are going to developing. We no need to write separate kind of data table. Even you can write the data table level, all array information you are going to rendering. It is not required all these kind of stuff. Simply you can able to do. I will show that one how to do. I'm not using any reference. Remove this one. Here headings also use effect level functionality also I'm going to remove. Okay. Here data table level array type of function. This is basically here is I need to define first one array. First one array I'm going to providing set data equal to use state. This is the what? This is the array type. This array level I'm going to provide the some array objects, student objects I'm going to providing ID :1 name :ABC comma course. I'm going to providing React JS. Next comma. I need to provide here another kind of object. Here ID :2 comma your name PQR course Angular case. Like that, couple of records we need to attach. Why? Because we need to see the pagination kind of functionality also. So what I'm doing, I'm going to copy paste here. I'm going to provide a 3 and 4, 5, and I need to provide here 6. So here this is the 6th one. ID, right? ID I need to provide 6. Next 7, 8. Next copy paste. Here 9, 10, 11, 12. Because per page I'm going to see the 10 records. That's why I'm going to providing multiple kind of records. Here Angular something I need to change. UJS. Here is Java. Here is I need to provide the Spring. Again here is Vue.js. Here I need to provide React.js. React.js. So this is the way I'm going to providing the different kind of records. These records, first what I need to do, I need to render, right? So that is the purpose here. What I'm doing, I'm going to providing here div tag. Already Bootstrap is installed, right? You can check how to check. Go to the package.json file. Bootstrap is not installed. Yes, it is installed. See this one. Bootstrap is installed. So then easily you can able to provide Bootstrap classes. Class name, container. This is the decoration part only. Div tag I'm using. Here I need to specify the class name equal to card. Within that, I need to provide div tag again. Within that, I need to provide the class name equal to card hyphen header. I'm going to providing. Within that, I need to provide the H1 student list. I'm going to providing. Within that, another div tag I'm using. Within that, I need to specify the class name equal to card body. Entire application, once it is completed, again I'm going to repeating. Okay, table. This table is, I need to specify the class name equal to table space table hyphen. We need to provide what? Table stripped type. I'm going to using this one. Now that array level information I need to fetch and display here. Table heading. So table head level tr I'm using, and th level I need to specify id. This is the heading part. This th level I'm going to specify the name. Next th level I need to specify what? Course. Okay, course I'm going to provide it. After that, we need to provide here table body. Table body. This table body level I need to define tr, td. Here I need to provide td and render the data. So table body level, what I'm doing, I'm going to using here students. If I'm going to specify array name, whatever the array name is there, that name I need to use here. Already we are going to assign the data here, right? So data, this is the array. So this array level data I need to fetch. How to fetch? We need to use here data dot map. Here we need to specify, for example, student comma index, and we are going to providing here tr. The tr level row uniquely identification purpose index value we are going to providing, and we need to provide here table definition. Table definition level we need to pass index here. Okay. Next, another one is td I'm going to using. This is what? Student dot name I'm going to providing. Next, another one is td. Here I need to provide student dot course. So this is the way we are going to providing. But uh, where is the my data table kind of code? Here just we are imported these two things only. So we need to provide here a data table kind of functionality. Okay. So if I want to provide the data table functionality, what we are going to using? We are going to using use effect. I'm going to using whenever it is loading, rendering, I need to execute use effect. So that is the purpose here. Here I'm going to using use effect. Use effect. Here two things are available. One is arrow type of function. Another one is array dependency. Within that, what I'm doing, I'm using here uh, data table kind of functionality. How to use dollar symbol. Here you need to provide the document dot whenever document is ready. Whenever document is ready, okay, I need to execute the function. I need to execute the function. What is the function? I need to specify the table level ID. That ID I need to use here. That ID I need to use hash. For example, I'm using ID. Then I need to call data table. So this is the kind of code is automatically it is going to get the um, data table kind of functionality. Okay. So this is the ID. This is the ID I need to use in my table level. Where is the table? Here we are using the table. Here ID equal to, we need to specify uh, example. So this is the way we are going to provide it. Now go to the app.js. Here it is not required all these kind of things. So simply you can remove this one and you need to call data table. Now we need to check this one. Go to the command prompt and run this one. npm start. npm start. Whenever I'm going to start this one, my previous example only I'm going to using here. I'm not created any special kind of project. Previous program level problems resolving purpose. I'm trying to using here and get the data, right? That is the main target. Here, what is the problem? We need to check. Go to the inspect. How many people are tried this functionality? Go to the console. See, array is, it is showing here 0. Here array is data is getting. So that means API call is getting. API is where it is available. API is we are not using any kind of API. Previous application only it is going to running. See, API array where it is array is there, array is not there, right? Data table level array is not there. We need to check this one. How to check? Control Shift N. New browser I'm going to using here. I'm going to using, this is the way I'm going to specify. Now we need to go to the inspect again and go to the console. Still here is array is 0. Here is 100 records we are getting. So here what it is happening, is there any kind of service? We are not writing any kind of service. This is the only component. Only component. Here data table we are going to using. Here use effect is invoking app.js. App.js use effect is getting the data. So I don't want to use here any kind of data here. Use effect is not required. This is just the app only. So that's the reason I don't need to use Axios and all. So remove this one. Okay. So now go to here and refresh. Right. Now we need to see only empty we are getting. So array level data is not getting. So we need to check. Go to the data table. Go to the data table. Here we need to provide console. Whether data is getting or not, first we need to check. Okay. The array of data is getting or not, we need to check. How to check this one? Put the comment here, console.log, and I need to provide here data. So that array is getting or not, we need to test this one. Go to here and see what is the problem here. Module build failed. So component data table.js unexpected token expected closing tag. So go to the data table. Okay, here is, we need to remove that one. Right. Now you can refresh. Yes, here we are getting the console level data. See, expand this one. So records are getting here. This data I need to pass into the where table level. I need to pass this one. Okay. So data is array type. We are going to what type we are going to get this one array type we are getting. Okay. Array type of data only we are getting. From that one record we are going to fetching and we are going to display. So that's the reason I need to put the comment this one. I need to go to here, uncomment this one. How to uncomment, select all these kind of statements. So now uncommented. So before go to that one here, ID also I'm going to remove this one ID. Just first check the table is rendering or not. Okay. Table rendering or not, we need to check this one. Okay. Here is problem is what? Cannot read property of undefined reading for each. So that is the problem is that we need to where is that use ref data table level import statement to set data area of props to something it is showing. So go to the data table. If there any unnecessary kind of import statements are there, we need to remove. So here I don't want to use ref. Save it. Set data is we are not defined. Set data is not defined anything. I'm going to do some other kind of one here. This is the array, right? This is the array. This array of data to the setter method, we can set that one, right? So instead of going to define like this, up to this, whatever the data is there, cut it. So here we need to define constant students equal to, here we are going to paste it. Okay. This one I need to use, this array I need to use here, set data within that students. So that set data is also we are using and we are using everything. So go to here and refresh. Map is not recognizing. Again, that data is getting or not. People are understood how to debugging. What I'm trying to explaining here, how to debugging, people are understood. So refresh. Headings okay. Data is we need to get right. Go to the console. Array level data is there. Okay. But where it is getting the data table level 13 records are there. Data table level. Data table 53 level. So array is we are getting here. Data table 53. 53 means here. Okay. So where is initially undefined? Initially 53 is undefined. After that install hook lifecycle hook is activated, then it is going to get the records level data. So this is the way we are getting the data. Okay, fine. But how to render this one? How to render the data? How to render the data? Return statement is not there. That's the reason we are getting the problem. People are remember how to write the return statement is missing here. Okay, where is the return statement is missing? People are not practicing. Otherwise, people are recognizing immediately and saying that this is the problems are like that. I'm expecting that kind of response. Return. Here return statement is we are not added. So we are getting the data. Now we need to add the ID also. Where Here I need to provide ID equal to, what is the ID? Example, right? Example, I'm going to provide it. Whatever the data query functionality level, whatever the ID is there, that ID we need to provide this one. Okay. So once I'm going to providing, see, we are getting this one, pagination. See, right? Suppose I want to see the React.js, only React.js. I want to see the Vue.js. I want to see the Angular only. I need to see the Java only, right? Per page, 10 records only. Okay, suppose I want to see the 25 records, all the records we are getting. Okay, so now go to here and I need to select 10. So now 10 records only. Next page level, remaining records are there. This is the next page. This is the previous page. See, here search functionality is there, pagination is there, look and feel is also changed, right?